Meaning of death wish.
Death wish.
Death wish.
Death wish.
Death wish. Death wish is an idiomatic phrase that refers to a strong desire or inclination someone may have toward death, either by their own actions or the actions of others. This phrase may also suggest a reckless or suicidal attitude. People who exhibit a death wish may engage in behaviors that put themselves or others in danger without regard for the potential consequences. Ultimately, a death wish can lead to a premature and avoidable death, as well as harm to those around the person exhibiting this behavior.